Good afternoon, my friends. My name is Sangram Mohanty. Welcome to my YouTube channel Go Smart. So today we will discuss about a Python project, file encryption and decryption. So in this project I am going to encrypt a text file, convert it into a ciphertext file, and then I am going to decrypt the ciphertext inside the encrypted file. So in this program I have two files, one for encrypting and one for decryption. So in the encryption file encrypt.py, I have took the file merge text file.txt. So this is the raw file that I have took. Let me show you the content of the file also. So it's a file that contains some details about Joe Biden, the current president of USA, and some details about him, and about Kamala Harris, some details about her also. So few details I have given in the raw file in form of text. Then I am opening the file and I am reading the contents of the file. After reading the contents, I am creating a list out of the contents that I have picked from the raw file. Then I am using a lambda expression to create the encrypted content. So the lambda expression will be passing each character from the list through a given function called encrypt. So this is a custom built encrypt function that I have created, where I have written an algorithm to generate Unicode characters from ASCII characters. So these are ASCII characters especially. So once the encrypted file is created, you will see all these ASCII characters will be converted into Unicode characters that are mostly unreadable, you may find. So I have used this encrypt function, which will pick each character from the list and concatenate and keep on concatenating using the lambda expression. So finally we have the encrypted content. Then I am using then I am writing those encrypted content into a file called encryptfile.txt. So right now I don't have the encryptfile.txt, I only have the raw file. So let me generate the encryptfile.txt. So finally we have the encryptfile.txt. Now you can see this is the raw file and this is the encrypt file. So this file is very unreadable, you may see. It contains all the Unicode characters. So it is difficult to understand in our layman's eye. It cannot understand these characters. So once I have created an encrypted file, I can give it to a person to decrypt it. So the other person or the other guy can pick this particular encrypted file as a source and use the decrypt function to decrypt the file. Okay, so for the timing I have the decrypt function with myself. So this is the decrypt script, especially to generate the decrypt, the contents and push those contents into a given file called decryptfile.txt. So similarly, as I said before, encryptfile.txt will be used as a source here to decrypt it. It will read the contents. Then I am listing out all those contents that I have read from the file. These are the contents that I am going to list out. Create a list out of it. Then I am using a lambda expression as explained in the file encrypt.txt. It will again concatenate all those characters, provided each character has to go through a function called decrypt. This is again a custom built algorithm function that contains an algorithm to generate ASCII characters from Unicode characters. Okay, so as I said, the decrypted content. Okay, I am going to just change it. So the decrypted content will be will contain all those ASCII characters that we have generated from the Unicode characters using the function called decrypt. So similarly, we are writing all the contents, the given content into a file called decryptfile.txt. So initially we had the encryptfile.txt. Now we're going to generate decryptfile.txt. Okay, so decryptfile.txt has been generated. Here you go. See, the decryptfile.txt matches with the one with the raw file that we had took it initially. So these two are matching, right? So this is how I have created written a program to encrypt a given raw file, and I have written a decrypt algorithm, decrypt program to decrypt a encrypted file using two functions like encryption and decryption. So thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.